If you invest online, you could already be a target. Cybercriminals are increasingly focusing on digital portfolios, from crypto wallets to retirement accounts. Everything connected online carries risk. A single weak security habit can expose years of hard-earned growth. And once funds move digitally, recovery becomes extremely complicated. That's why cybersecurity is now part of smart investing. Top investors don't just think about returns, they think about protection. Security is no longer optional in 2026. In this video, we'll break down practical ways to secure your online investments, because protecting your capital is just as important as growing it. The first line of defense for your investments is your account security. Weak passwords remain one of the biggest financial risks online. Strong, unique passwords should be used for every investment platform. Multi-factor authentication adds a powerful extra layer. Even if login details are exposed, additional verification can block access. Biometric authentication increases protection on supported devices. Avoid accessing investment accounts on unsecured public networks. Always verify official website addresses before logging in. Enable account activity alerts for real-time awareness. Layered authentication dramatically reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Your investment accounts are only as secure as the device you use. Outdated software can create hidden security risks. Regular updates patch vulnerabilities before they're exploited. Install reputable security software to monitor threats in real time. Avoid downloading unknown apps that request excessive permissions. Secure your home Wi-Fi network with strong encryption. Public networks increase exposure to unnecessary risk. Use secure connections when accessing financial platforms. Log out of investment accounts when using shared devices. Strong device security adds another powerful barrier around your online investments. Not all threats come from technology. Many come from manipulation. Social engineering targets human trust, not just systems. Fake investment opportunities often promise guaranteed high returns. Urgency is a common tactic. Act now or limited time only. Phishing emails may appear to come from legitimate financial institutions. Always verify official communication channels before responding. Never share login credentials or verification codes with anyone. Be cautious of unsolicited calls about your investment accounts. Scammers rely on emotion, fear, excitement, or pressure. Pause, verify, and think before making financial decisions online. Protecting your investments isn't a one-time setup, it's an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing account activity helps detect unusual behavior early. Enable real-time alerts for logins, withdrawals, and account changes. Small anomalies can signal larger risks if ignored. Diversifying platforms can reduce single-point exposure. Keep secure backups of important financial records. Review privacy settings on investment apps regularly. Use separate email accounts dedicated to financial platforms. Consistency and discipline are your strongest defense tools. Proactive monitoring dramatically reduces financial risk. At the highest level, protecting investments is about mindset. Smart investors assume risk exists and prepare before problems appear. They don't rely on a single security measure. They build systems, authentication, monitoring, and disciplined habits. They stay informed about emerging digital risks, and most importantly, they act immediately when something feels wrong. You don't need to be a millionaire to apply these principles. Strong digital habits can protect years of financial growth. In 2026, cybersecurity is part of financial intelligence. Protect your online investments with the same seriousness you use to build them.